Okay, these are the new areas. So that's our neighbor and construction worker, Rick Hines. This right here is, nothing is finished yet, so this right here is a single lot, but this building here is going to end up being also double as a grooming station. So let's take a look inside. Now remember, this isn't finished, so look at that. I got that at Marshall's. It's a Wag Wag World. So even though this will be used as a dog area for now, this will be Tina's grooming station. So there'll be a tub, a walk-in big shower tub thingy over here, the grooming table over here, and then a dog door, so before or after they're done, they can go into the yard. Of course, there'll be straw down. So let's go back out here. There's our existing cabins that are no longer new anymore. Let's come back over here. That's Rigby and Emma. Rigby and Emma. And over here, this is all of our new area. And then right here will be a pole in the center of all of this where we'll put our special outdoor pan and tilt cameras. There'll be high sodium lights. So you see this has a gate going in. Everybody has a nice deck and ramp. And then this is sort of like a doghouse condo. So it has 2 dog areas. Nice big yard. Deck. We still got to put steps. And these were where the big sodium lights will be. There's a very big yard here too. Quite nice. Nice decks. Nice big dog doors for extra big dogs if we have them. This one has a nice tree. This gets very shady in the summer, and so does this over here actually. And that completes the tour of the new buildings.